Welcome to December 31st, the last day of the daily vlog in Japan. Today is New Year, and today I wanted to kind of talk about all of the different traditions that you have in Japan associated with New Year. Starting with one of my least favorite traditions, which is the New Year cleaning. So we've been cleaning for around 2 hours now. My task was cleaning the windows. Unfortunately, this is a big house, so it has a lot of windows and you have to clean them from both sides, so it's been taking up most of the time. And yeah, but everybody's helping, so we are gonna be hopefully done very soon. And after that, we're gonna continue with like New Year's cooking, and in the evening we're gonna go to a temple, like a shrine nearby, for the first shrine visit of the New Year, Hatsuno Day. And then we're also gonna go for the first sunrise of the year. Together with Julie's mom, we're gonna drive down to the ocean at around like 5-6 a.m. to see the first sunrise. And then I'm also gonna go to probably like, well, some kind of shopping area, because they have some really cool shopping things that I want to show you, like especially for New Year. But yeah, first up, let's continue cleaning. Ready for cooking, or I'm ready for cooking. Julie's enjoying some nice Japanese television. And I'm gonna be doing only 2 things. The rest of them I actually bought in the store because I'm too lazy to really cook everything. I'm gonna be doing umami shrimp, or shrimp ebi no umami, which is like quickly simmered shrimp in like a savory sauce. And I'm also gonna be doing su renkon, which is pickled renkon, which is just kind of root vegetable. Seconds. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was our dinner. It's not really a dinner, it's like a special dish that you eat. And next up we're gonna go to the nearby shrine, because I think there's already some people there. You can hear the bells like ringing, and we're gonna do the Hatsumode, which is the first shrine visit of the year. Also probably one of the few shrine visits of the year, but still. Excuse me. And then we're gonna get a couple of hours of sleep, because tomorrow in the morning we're gonna go at like 5:30. We're gonna go see the first sunrise of the year near the ocean. So yeah, first up let's get dressed, or I guess we can just go like that, and then go see the shrine. and good morning from the next day. Unfortunately, the sunrise was a bust. There was a thick cloud cover pretty much the entire sky, so all of the people that were there, I think you saw a couple of people were pretty disappointed, including us. Apparently this is the first time, or one of the first times that it was as thick as it, so you know, I'm a very luck bringing person. I'm a lucky charm, so it's always get lucky with this things. But yeah, we are back now, and we're gonna do our Osechi now. These boxes are here for, well, putting all of these things in there, and basically all of these items have different meanings. I don't know what exactly the meaning of everything is. I know these are the shrimps. Their meaning is like longevity, because they are bent, kind of like old people, I guess. So when you eat them, you're gonna live longer or something. And this is the pickled renkong, which is some kind of root vegetable, and it has a lot of holes in it. So it's supposed to signify like clear vision, or like clearness in the future. And yeah, I'm just going to arrange all of these things really nicely now. The layered box that I mentioned. So we have the pickled root, we have some uni, we have some sashimi from tuna, and then we have some, I don't know what this is, but underneath there's like some fish. And then the second layer we have some tatemaki, we have some shrimps, we have more shrimps, some salmon eggs, and then also we have this like weird cherries. And we also have like some fish cakes here, some more cherries here, some teriyaki burdock rice, and also some crab, but unfortunately it's still frozen. We left it out overnight, but it didn't thaw properly. So yeah. What do you think about our Osechi?
Zu spät.
Too late. Apparently you eat this. No wait, this is lunchtime, right?
Ja, aber es ist schon 1:30.
Okay, so we're a bit late, but
Nach 1:30.
we slept a little bit longer, so I guess that's excusable. So, itadakimasu. Itadakimasu.
Tatemaki.
Oishi. Good morning from day 3 of the New Year vlog. So it's already New Year. It's the 2nd. As a quick recap, on the 31st we did the kind of the traditional celebration, I guess. We did the soba, toshikoshi soba. We also did go to a shrine, this shrine behind this. And then on the 1st we went to go see the sunrise. Or we wanted to see the sunrise, obviously, but you might remember it was a bust, so there was no actual sun rising above the ocean. And then we also ate Osechi ryori. And there is one more kind of, I don't know if it's an ancient tradition or a traditional tradition, but there's one more cool thing that they do for New Year here, which is a lucky bag. What is it called in Japanese? Fukubukuro. And it's kind of it's mostly a shopping thing, but the thing is that most stores, or a lot of stores, have like these bags that they sell. Traditionally, I think those bags you really didn't know what was inside, so it was kind of a lucky bag. So you might buy a bag and you might get something good, or you might get mostly something you don't need. But yeah, nowadays it's a lot of the bags actually tell you what content, or a lot of the stores tell you what content is inside the bags. So we already bought one, which was the bag from a Japanese restaurant chain called Otoya. And basically we paid 3,000 yen for it, roughly $30, and in exchange you get 3,000 yen worth of coupons to use at the restaurant. So you basically get your money's worth back. And then you also get some other stuff, like you get, we got some rice, or like some stuff to mix into rice. We got some sesame seeds to sprinkle on rice, and some sauce to cook with, as well as sometimes if you get extra lucky, I think you got an extra free 300 yen coupon. So overall, it was really worth the money. But as I said, there are some that are really not worth it at all. But yeah, we are going right now to Machida the big city to see if we can find some cool lucky bags. And if we don't, I'm gonna buy some from McDonald's because McDonald's is always good. But yeah, next stop, Machida. And we are back home. I got my lucky bag, my Fukubukuro. It's from McDonald's. We searched around for a while, but I guess we didn't really find anything good. But in the end we found the McDonald's that still had like a couple left. So yeah, I already saw the contents online, but I guess I'm just still gonna do an unboxing. So first up we have a really nice tote bag with a very retro McDonald's design. I'm gonna use this for like daily shopping and stuff, which is nice. And then in the inside we have this here. This all of the things that are inside. We have a McDonald's towel. It's a simple towel, but it has a McDonald's design. Then we have next up we have this Tupperware, 17 layers of plastic, and just Tupperware, but it has a Big Mac, like a store sign at the front. And then we have this, which is a McDonald's timer styled as potatoes, fried potatoes. Here we go. And it has a cute fry style. And then the main reason why I bought this is this. This is a booklet that includes basically 3,270 yen worth of free stuff. There's burgers inside, it has chicken nuggets, it has some kind of, it has potatoes. And yeah, all of these products are worth a total of 3,270 yen. So it's basically already kind of worth the price of the lucky bag, which was 3,000 yen. And it's valid until June of this year. So I can go to McDonald's a couple of times and get free stuff for, you know, chicken nuggets, fries, burgers, whatever I want. And yeah, the other stuff is kind of an extra. So the towel, this thing, and the clock. Unfortunately, I believe I didn't hit the 1 in 10 chance. There's a 1 in 10 chance to hit a extra 500 yen of coupons. I guess I wasn't lucky enough to hit them. Still good, still a good haul. So yeah, it's gonna be it for the New Year vlog. Summer rest, we did the New Year Toshikoshi Soba and the shrine visit. We did the unfortunate visit to see the first sunrise, and we also did the lucky bag shopping. And overall, I think New Year, in compared to Austria or like other countries in the US or Australia, is a more quiet time. So there's not a lot of kind of partying going on, or you don't have big fireworks, and it also is a longer period of time. So a lot of stores are still closed until tomorrow or even the weekend, so until the Sunday. Today's Thursday. Whereas in a lot of other countries, in Western countries, it's basically 1 year, New Year, and then the business just continues as usual on the second for most people. And yeah, it's gonna also be it for today. I guess we're just gonna cook some dinner, lunch, and then I'll see you tomorrow for the very last vlog of this 1 month vlog thingy. See you tomorrow.